You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. French name. If you want to learn more correct pronunciations, including from French, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. You'll want to learn from French aristocrat, account, I believe. He crosses with Jim Morrison of The Doors, and his name is pronounced as Jean de Breteuil. That's the French pronunciation here. Jean de Breteuil. Jean de Breteuil. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, Jean de Breteuil. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.